I'm Bob Grove. I've been at Standard for 15 years. I have a very extensive background in manufacturing for more than 35 years. Overall, as far as the quality goes, what I have noticed is a lot of our products, if you can manufacture on the front end of the machining, you control a lot of your process all the way through. So it's very important to be able to do that. This place makes the smaller components, the building components of the injector, and we were able to maintain our quality inside the facility in-house, where you have a little more control over the dimensions, and you can keep you produce a quality part coming off the machining process before we ever assemble it. So I think that has a lot to do with being able to create the good part mentality all the way from the start to finish, all the way out the door. And if you have to rely on other people outside of your facility, you tend not to, their quality does suffer. So I think we're able to control a lot of our quality because we're making things inside, under the same roof. We can't outsource everything. Coming from the overseas for everything we make, just because we want to save a couple dollars is not necessarily the best sacrifice. And that's why I feel about it. I feel like, that we've outsourced a lot of that, and we're at the mercy of those other countries that are supplying us. The more we give them, it's very important to make stuff for the United States. Well, like I tell my boss, I says I'm getting up in my years, and as long as I still have fun when I come to work, and I still have fun, so I still show up every day. Control the front end of the process, control our dimensions, and make a quality part through the whole process. And you keep control of that, and you can maintain a lot more of American-made out of our plant. And as far as knowing, all the ins and outs of the plant and how things are made, if you control it inside the factory, you can make sure that everything's made with the right amount of tolerances and clearances, and make sure you have a quality part coming out every day.